Welcome to our channel. Troubleshooting common Arris modem connectivity issues. Check the cables first. A loose coax or Ethernet cable is behind 80% of the issues. Pull everything out, plug it back in snug. Sometimes just wiggling the cables gets things working. Power cycle the modem. Rebooting works. Unplug the modem, wait 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in. Don't just hit the button. Give it a hard reset of juice. This clears temporary network crap that builds up over time. Inspect the lights. Blinking lights tell a story. Solid power and receive, transmit? Good. Blinking online or error lights? Usually signal issues or provisioning errors. Look up your specific Arris model, don't ignore the manual lights. Check for service outages. Before digging into configs, hit your ISP's website or Twitter. Sometimes it's them, not you. Don't waste hours tweaking if the cable company is screwing up upstream. Reset to factory settings, last resort. If nothing else works, hit the reset button. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Warning: you'll lose any custom settings, Wi-Fi names, passwords, port forwards, etc. But sometimes, it's the only way. Update firmware. Arris modems don't always auto-update. Log into the admin panel, usually 192.168.100.1, check firmware version. If it's outdated, update it. Could fix weird disconnects and speed issues. Check for interference. If you're on Wi-Fi, walls, appliances, even neighbors can mess with your signal. Try moving your router or modem away from other electronics. Sometimes the issue isn't the modem at all. Verify your account with ISP. Sometimes your modem's fine, but it's not authorized to connect. A quick call to your ISP can confirm your modem's provisioned correctly. They can push settings remotely too, which often fixes the ghost problems. Swap the modem. If all else fails, it could just be a hardware issue. Arris is durable, but they do die. Borrow a friend's modem or ask your ISP for a replacement. If the new one works, you know it's the old hardware. Thank you for watching.